Just wow. So much info, but thanks for the great examples. Everything seems to be in order, and who but not a founder of the project can describe the things better. So yeah, thanks for that and for clarifying all the things. And could you maybe tell us a little bit more about Volta's Web3 banking product offering?
Sure. So now we can get into the pillars, right? So the first one is wealth management. So we've got four pillars: wealth management, consumer payments, tokenization of assets, and the insurance pillar. So I talked a little bit about the wealth management before when I gave the example of being able to earn yield on chain while your tokens are actually mirrored onto a centralized exchange where now quant strategies can run, and you can have various different risk profiles. So you might be ultra conservative, you want a delta neutral trading strategy. There's another user that might be very aggressive. They're okay with potentially losing some yield or having more variance within their yield. So they're going in an aggressive portfolio. And so we'll be able to also cater to different risk profiles. And that would be one product offering that we call kind of our CDFI rail, as an example. And that would be wealth management pillar. Another component of the wealth management pillar would be unlocking something that, again, has traditionally been accessible to traditional financial players, but is yet to really be accessible in the blockchain space. And that is the collateralization of your digital assets. Right now, if you go to the bank and you want to take out a loan, a mortgage, for example, to be able to buy a house, the bank will look at the assets that you own, the assets that you can control, and they'll determine your risk profile based on that, and they'll either grant you a mortgage or not. If you go to the bank right now and you say, but I've got 100 Bitcoin, they'll say, I don't care because we don't count those assets. Yes, but I'm looking to buy a, I don't know, $500,000 house and I actually have $10 million. And they'll say, well, your $10 million doesn't really exist.